Make a great choice today with the 2020 Discovery. The Discovery is a mid-sized SUV with true off-road capabilities from the British car maker Land Rover. This 5-door SUV will take you through town with ease and allow you comfort and security in extreme driving conditions. This vehicle has less than 900 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, power liftgate, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, speed control, power moonroof, 4-wheel disc brakes, rain sensing wipers, rear fog light. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.